Hello everybody, this is Steven here, and today we are not reviewing guns. Today I'm gonna make an announcement that uh, I'm gonna announce a schedule that every time I review like 4 or 5 guns, I will make uh, 10 target shooting videos for 10 minutes and just repeat the cycle. Like I ran out of I mean I I do review on 5 guns, and then I do 10 videos, and then I do review on 5 guns, and I do 10 videos. Just repeat like constantly, and hopefully you all will agree with that. And now I'm gonna put in some extra stuff that I forgot about the guns. Two extra stuff, like one for the M4A1 and one for the Revolver shotgun. All right, let's go. First of all, the stock of the M4A1. I forgot that you can pull it. You put your finger right here, and you just lift it up. Yeah, and you just pull it back. Just you can stabilize by picking where you want to where you want uh, where you want to set it. Yeah, and all right, let's move to the Revolver shotgun. Actually, I tested it after the video for the Revolver shotgun. The scope actually works. It is just that I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to aim. I'm gonna shoot the gun right now, and the scope actually makes a massive difference. As you can, um, uh, I really tested it. Like I have to stand like 4 blocks away, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at the 5th block, I have to lean my gun in and shoot at these targets. But then if I put on the scope, I can snipe all the way back from the wooden area. You can see that where the boxes are, where the boxes are. All right, you can see that little wooden area. Yeah, I'm gonna snipe right there. All right, now I am all the way back. I'm gonna snipe with these normal shots. These um, normal shots, all 6 of them, and I'm gonna try to hit every single target. Um, I'm gonna try as hard as I can. All right, here we go. Here we go. Well, that works. I mean, it's a shotgun, not a sniper. Far better than none. well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Turn the bell on. There's a Discord link down in the comment section down below. I hope I'll do more videos like this where I review toy guns. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.